So in these next couple of videos, we're really going to investigate into this Create tab right here. So in this Create tab, we are going to go further into detail of how to make invoices and sales receipts. So they're very similar in the process of making. The big difference though between invoices and sales receipts are that invoices are usually used in businesses that use the accrual accounting method. So they don't actually recognize the revenue until cash is exchanged between the two parties. So that's why the invoices comes into play. So it still has the record of there being a transaction in the business aspect, but cash has not yet been exchanged between the two parties. Whereas sales receipts are used in the cash basis of accounting. So for example, if you were going into a retail store, as soon as you purchase that item of clothing or whatever it is, they realize the revenue right then and there. So they would actually put the cash into their account when the transaction occurs. So we just go, the create button, then we go into customers. So first we go into our invoices. If we wanted to use the invoice, if we are using the accrual basis of accounting. So you would just enter your customer, let's say Brittany's customer. And if you haven't entered this customer in before, you just simply add them. They'll pop up new customer and you'll just save it. And here you can say whatever product or services. So let's pretend this is a contracting business. So let's say we are doing roofing. So roof materials is our product and service. This will pop up and you can enter it right now, or you can go back later, or if you already customized it, this should not pop up in your products and services. So the amount is going to be, let's say $100, simply just as that. Your terms, you can adjust them right here, or if you already customized them, they should already pop up in your updated settings for your business, and your invoice date and the due date. Then you just simply save and send. So if you want to save and send it to them, you can enter an email, or just for your accounting records, you can just simply click saved. So there, that is how you make invoices. And then we can go into sales receipt. Notice that it is very similar. So let's again say Brittany's customer. Again, it pops up because we previously invoiced them. The product, service, roof. Again, it pops up because we already made that account. Amount, let's say another $100. And again, you can save and send if you enter an email up here, or you can just save it simply for your records. So that is just a brief overview of how you can do your invoices and your sales receipt. So if you go down to your dashboard, as you can see here, your invoices, we are $100 will be unpaid. So you have a new invoice there. It's not due yet because you had your net 30 turn and that hasn't passed yet. This will change when it is due. It will alert you that your invoice is coming up and it is actually due for them. So essentially that is how you can create your invoice and sales receipts in QuickBooks Online. Again, you go up to the create button and your invoice and your sales receipts are all right there.